Have you ever opened your trading chart and felt completely overwhelmed? Indicators everywhere. RSI says buy, MACD says sell, your channel indicator says wait. And suddenly, you're staring at your screen thinking, what am I even supposed to do here? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most traders stack indicator after indicator, hoping for clarity, but instead they create something worse: analysis paralysis. 6 indicators, 40 different settings, and somehow less confidence than ever. That's exactly the problem AI Channel Trader Pro was built to solve. Instead of stacking multiple tools on your chart, this system combines structure, momentum, volatility, and institutional levels into one unified adaptive indicator. One overlay, 6 adaptive price bands, a synchronized momentum oscillator, and the best part? 0 configuration. Yes, you heard that right. No endless tweaking, no guessing which settings work today. Unlike static indicators that react to yesterday's market, AI Channel Trader Pro recalibrates every single bar. That means when volatility increases, the channel automatically widens. When markets calm down, the channel tightens. When trends accelerate, the system speeds up. When price chops sideways, it slows down and filters the noise, all automatically. Now imagine this. It's 9:45 in the morning. You open your chart on TradingView. Price is drifting toward the upper adaptive channel band. The momentum pulse is still bullish, but it's starting to fade. Momentum losing steam. Instead of chasing the move, you place a sell limit right at the channel level. Price touches the band, momentum confirms the slowdown, and the market turns. Not because the indicator predicted the future, but because it showed you where the market structure mattered before price got there. And this is where the system really stands out. AI Channel Trader Pro isn't just a channel indicator. It includes 9 powerful analytical components. First, a 6-band adaptive channel that continuously recalibrates support and resistance levels. Second, a 4-state momentum pulse that shows not just direction, but acceleration. Bullish and strengthening, bullish but fading, bearish and strengthening, bearish but weakening. That's information most oscillators simply don't show. Third, an adaptive trend line based on Kaufman's adaptive moving average, which speeds up during trends and slows down during consolidation. Fourth, institutional fair value, using volume-weighted average price with deviation bands. These are levels professional traders watch every single day. And it doesn't stop there. The system also includes pivot levels, volatility alerts, gradient bar coloring to show trend strength, and automatic projected target and stop zones, all working together instead of fighting each other like most indicator stacks do. The result? A clean chart, one visual language, one adaptive engine, and far less second-guessing. Now let's be clear about something. AI Channel Trader Pro is not magic. It does not guarantee profits, and it does not predict the market. Even the creators emphasize that. What it does is adapts to current market conditions so your analysis stays aligned with what the market is actually doing. Because the truth is, most trading mistakes don't come from a lack of indicators. They come from too many of them. So, if your charts are cluttered, if you're constantly tweaking settings, or if you want a cleaner way to read market structure and momentum, AI Channel Trader Pro might be worth exploring, especially if you're trading on TradeStation 10 or TradingView. But remember, no tool replaces discipline, no indicator replaces risk management, and no system replaces experience. Trading is still a skill. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried adaptive indicators like this? Or are you still stacking 5 different tools on your chart? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.